environmental sustainability, and military prowess, we introduced a cutting-edge robot designed to address critical challenges on the battlefield, all while being mindful of the environment. This groundbreaking machine is poised to revolutionize modern warfare and set new standards for eco-conscious military technology. We have used two LEDs, a switch, a servo motor, again another LED, chassis, wheels, as well as Arduino.
Surroundings and uses it to produce electrical energy. Empowering creativity. The printer with Tinkercad software revolutionizes design and manufacturing by combining a precise 3D printer.
You have permission to engage the target.
This is a very nice experience in the robotics exhibition. There are students from the age group of from the class from 3rd to 9th, and they have designed a very good project. Lot of learning, lot of exposure. If I compare it to my school days, there has been a lot of exposure nowadays in this particularly in the robotics field. Thanks a lot. It's a nice experience.
Step into the world of hand-on electronic and artistic expression with a paper circuit, a delightful blend of creativity and technology.
Paper circuits are educational tools for teaching basic electronical concepts.
Paper circuits provide a creative outlet for artists and crafters to experiment with light and designs.
Hands up, 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 up,
Introduce the Arduino temperature and humidity display, a compact yet a powerful solution for displaying environmental conditions in real time. The components used in this model are: this is DTH11 sensor, this is Arduino, and this is the coded display screen. Using the DHT11 sensor and OLED screen, this innovative device continuously collects data on temperature and humidity levels in surrounding environment. The Arduino microcontroller processes the data received from the sensor, formatting it for clear display on the OLED screen.
This is a remote control car with a DP-DT switch, which is double pull and double throw.
Here we have just used an RGB light, a battery, a voltage regulator, a resistor, and a few potentiometers along with a few jumper wires.
My child is Athar Goyal from 6B. He loves to join the class in robotics. उसको बहुत पसंद आया. सर की बहुत कोऑपरेशन है रोबोटिक्स क्लासेस में, और हम चाहते हैं कि वो आगे और रोबोटिक्स में और आगे करे वो उस चीज़ को लेके. सर का पूरा सपोर्ट है. बाकी ये सब चीज़ें आगे बहुत काम आएंगी.